presidential yacht Williamsburg stands by in the Potomac to take aboard the chief executive for his first extended vacation since taking over the job 16 months ago. The presidential holiday consists of an offshore cruise north along the New England coast. Rest and diet are the main objectives of Mr. Truman's trip. Aboard the destroyer escort Weiss, 21 White House correspondents keep careful tabs on the Williamsburg, from which they receive telephoned bulletins which are quickly turned into nationwide copy. Coming ashore at Quonset, Rhode Island Naval Air Station, the President gives reporters a first-hand account of his vacation to date and proudly displays the new white yachting cap made especially for this trip. Pretty nifty, Mr. President.